Good morning. So just quickly talk about what's the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty today based on yesterday's trading and then the last week's trading, right? So if you look at, so yesterday we clearly mentioned this is the kind of the main important candle. Unless on the Nifty, this breakout on either side don't get into jump for a long in either in a PE or a CE, right? Okay. So if you see the entire trading happened within the same within this candle. So even for today, if you see this still remains same, right? So if this breaks out, then you can actually consider for the long in terms of a CE. If this breaks down, so then we can clearly go for CE, right? But in terms of a daily levels, if you see these are extended levels for more clarity. So here at the same level, there is some resistance. If it crosses, then definitely we can actually consider for next target of 24,835 and further upside. Because 24,835 will take out this candle and that definitely push the price towards upside, right? The same way 24,520, 24,416 are the levels which we need to see along with weekly and monthly VWAPs. So coming back to where these monthly and weekly VWAPs are right now. Okay, this is the weekly current week. This is the previous week, right? The same way, if you see below, this is a monthly VWAP, right? So this is the November and the current month. Both the months VWAP is at 24,000, right? So this definitely will push the price back if at all. Yeah, anyway, at 24,676, let's not talk about falling 600 points. But if at all by, yeah, we see this will definitely add. Same way if we see in the Bank Nifty, this is a candle. So this is a Friday big candle. So this is a high, it should break out, and this is a low, it should break out. But you can clearly see the support, yesterday supports at the same levels, and the entire trading happened within this range, right? If you see today also this level here, high and low, remains intact, but once this cross next target of 560 to 723, and then once you see an upside momentum, and if this candle is take out, then 877, which definitely will take out this candle, which push the price to 54,000. But if anything falls below here, so next target is this, but definitely this weekly 2 weeks, current week and the previous week definitely will help to push the price back and may take some time either to break out in case if the negative side there's a lot of push, right? And the monthly side, so it is somewhere like 51,500 level and last month and this month levels. So which is too far from 53,200. But just keep in mind that okay, these two definitely we may see in case if the momentum actually reverse and by last week there may be a possibility because the market is already at like 53 and it's trying to push. Unless it breaks 54,000 in this week, you may see some kind of a small pullback, and then before again it goes to 54,000 plus, right? So let's not worry about whether the levels which are too far from here, but for us the intraday, once it opens, you wait for this to take out and then see yesterday the level here and then consider long. If it comes down, if it breaks, the next target is this, but your stop loss need to raise once it breaks up to here, because this is the level which will stop further fall from here. If it breaks, then we can see a good fall from here, right? That's my understanding. Let's see how market behaves today. Yeah, thank you.